Now folks, look at SharperTrades. PLTR swing reached the first target at 10.13, went as high as 10.30. The technicals are still bullish, looking for 11.20, 12.30, and 13.50. Support, we've tightened a bit. Let me double check. 9.50 and 8.60. Hello traders, Luca here with what I believe is an exciting opportunity to get you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. And the best way I came up with to do that is by offering alert systems where you can see us trade in real time as a group. So if you go to SharperTrades.com and you click on the pricing tab right here, you see those products pop up. What I'm offering you today is a deal on the alert systems, because I really want you up and trading as quickly and confidently as possible. As you know, knowledge is power, but if you don't put that knowledge into use, then what's the benefit of learning all the stuff in the end? So to get you up and learning as quickly and confidently as possible, I created a code here, PR11, for as low as $1 for the first month. After that, it will automatically kick in to the regular price if you decide to stick with a particular service. You can cancel anytime, no questions asked. Stay for as long as you want, whatever you find beneficial to you and your trading. So again, as always, thank you for your support, thank you for watching, and good trading. See you inside.